I love my
Okay.
black women, but you know, I'm attracted to white girls also. But
No.
I like real white girls.
What's that?
Long backs. Yeah. Denim jeans. Yeah. I like real white girls. Swimmers. Yeah. Beautiful with jeans on and sandals. Yeah, I like real white girls. I don't like the white girls who, I don't like all that. I like the real white girls.
Right. You don't like the white girls with like braids and
No, I like
that type of shit.
the real Baywatch. I like the real white girls, the high school white girls who just pretty and beautiful, you know. I like the real white girls, the long backs.
Long backs.
Yeah, with that little booty, that bitch soft though. And when it come out the drawers, it's bigger than what it look.